Hello, adventurers! Welcome to DSV Travel Trip. Today, we're taking you to one of the world's most iconic tropical destinations, Cancun, Mexico. Whether you're dreaming of relaxing on white sand beaches, diving into ancient cenotes, or exploring the rich culture of the Mayan civilization, Cancun is a destination that never fails to impress. We'll show you hidden gems, top attractions, and give you insider tips to make your Cancun trip unforgettable. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join us on more global adventures. Let's dive in. Welcome to Cancun, a paradise on the Caribbean coast. Cancun is located in the northeastern corner of the Yucatan Peninsula, a slice of paradise surrounded by the turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea. Known for its world-class resorts, vibrant nightlife, and access to some of the most stunning natural wonders on Earth, Cancun offers something for every type of traveler. Cancun is divided into two main areas: El Centro, downtown, the cultural heart of Cancun, filled with local eateries, street markets, and budget-friendly accommodations, and the Zona Hotelera, Hotel Zone, a 15-mile strip of luxury hotels, pristine beaches, and high-energy nightlife. Beyond the surface lies a wealth of adventure, history, and natural beauty that we'll explore together in this video. Top attractions in Cancun, a must-visit list. Let's start with the Cancun Scenic Tower, the tallest attraction in the Riviera Maya. Standing at 262 feet, 80 meters, this rotating observation deck offers panoramic views of the Hotel Zone, the Caribbean Sea, and the lush landscapes of the Yucatan Peninsula. The ride includes an informative audio guide about Cancun's history, and the entire experience lasts around 20 minutes. Don't forget your camera. This is the perfect spot for a bird's-eye view of paradise. Exploring downtown Cancun, a cultural dive. Next, head to the heart of the city, downtown Cancun, El Centro. Unlike the bustling hotel zone, this area offers a glimpse into local life. Wander down Avenida Tulum, where vibrant murals, quaint parks, and authentic street food stalls await. Why visit downtown Cancun? Taste local delicacies like tacos al pastor or marquesitas, crispy crepes. Dive into Cancun's local culture by visiting Mercado 28. This bustling market is a treasure trove of authentic Mexican crafts, souvenirs, and culinary delights. Here, you can haggle for handmade jewelry, colorful textiles, and artisanal tequila. It's also the best place to sample traditional dishes like cochinita pibil or tamales while mingling with locals. Swimming in the cenotes, nature's hidden pools. One of the Yucatan Peninsula's most famous features is its cenotes, natural sinkholes filled with crystal-clear fresh water. These unique formations offer an otherworldly swimming experience. Some of the best cenotes near Cancun include Cenote Azul, perfect for snorkeling and family-friendly activities. Gran Cenote, known for its impressive cave formations. Ruta de los Cenotes, a string of cenotes easily explored by car. If you're looking for an adrenaline rush, try cliff jumping or snorkeling in these surreal settings. Beaches of the Hotel Zone, tropical bliss. Cancun's Hotel Zone is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. The powdery white sands and sparkling waters make it a haven for beach lovers. Some must-visit beaches include Playa Tortugas, a quiet beach with calm waters, ideal for families. Playa Chacmul, a hotspot for water sports like jet skiing and windsurfing. Playa Delfines, known for its iconic Cancun sign and stunning sunsets. The Cancun nightlife, party capital of Mexico. No trip to Cancun is complete without experiencing its famous nightlife. The Hotel Zone is brimming with clubs and bars, each offering a unique vibe. Top spots to check out: Coco Bongo, a spectacular mix of acrobatics, live performances, and DJs. Mandala Nightclub, known for its chic decor and high-energy crowd. The City Nightclub, one of the largest clubs in Latin America. Day trips around Cancun. Isla Mujeres, a tranquil island escape. Located just 20 minutes from Cancun by ferry, Isla Mujeres is a peaceful retreat known for its laid-back charm. Rent a golf cart to explore the island, visit the Punta Sur Cliffs, or relax on Playa Norte, one of the best beaches in the Caribbean. Chichen Itza, a world wonder. Located about 3 hours from Cancun, Chichen Itza is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world. The iconic El Castillo Pyramid dominates the site, but don't miss the ancient ball court and the sacred cenote. Musa, the Underwater Museum of Art. For a truly unique experience, visit the Musa Underwater Museum. This incredible museum features over 500 sculptures, which act as artificial reefs. Explore this aquatic gallery while snorkeling or scuba diving among colorful marine life. Isla Blanca, a hidden gem. Escape the crowds with a trip to Isla Blanca, a secluded peninsula located just north of Cancun. Known for its tranquil beaches and kiteboarding opportunities, this spot is perfect for a peaceful day away. Tulum and Playa del Carmen. A short drive from Cancun, these 2 coastal towns offer a mix of bohemian vibes and ancient history. Visit the Tulum ruins, perched on cliffs overlooking the sea, or enjoy the nightlife in Playa del Carmen's Fifth Avenue district. Nishipte Lagoon, a biodiversity oasis. Nestled within Cancun's landscape, Nishipte Lagoon is a sprawling natural reserve that spans over 30 square kilometers. It's perfect for adventure seekers and nature lovers alike. Visitors can rent a boat or a jet ski to glide through the mangroves, home to crocodiles, exotic birds, and marine life. Sunset kayaking here is an unforgettable experience, offering tranquility and vibrant colors of the Mexican sky. The Maya Museum of Cancun. Located in the hotel zone, the Maya Museum is a must-visit for history buffs. Housing one of the largest collections of Mayan artifacts in Mexico, the museum offers a glimpse into the ancient civilization that once thrived in the region. Adjacent to the museum lies the San Miguelito Archaeological Site, where you can wander through well-preserved ruins nestled in lush jungle. Isla Cantoy, a natural sanctuary. Isla Cantoy, a short boat ride from Cancun, is a protected paradise. Limited to 200 daily visitors, this pristine island is a haven for birdwatchers and marine enthusiasts. The crystal-clear waters surrounding the island are perfect for snorkeling, revealing a kaleidoscope of tropical fish and coral reefs. Puerto Morelos, tranquility by the sea. Just a 30-minute drive from Cancun, Puerto Morelos offers a laid-back alternative to the city's hustle and bustle. The town is renowned for its vibrant coral reef, part of the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef System. Snorkeling or diving here offers an unparalleled underwater experience, with colorful marine life and shipwrecks. Akumal, swim with turtles. Akumal, a serene bay about an hour's drive from Cancun, is famous for its year-round opportunity to swim with sea turtles. The calm, shallow waters make it ideal for families and first-time snorkelers. Akumal's name means place of the turtles in Mayan, and it lives up to its reputation. Ek Balam, the hidden Mayan gem. Unlike its more famous counterpart, Chichen Itza, Ek Balam offers a more intimate exploration of Mayan history. Visitors can climb the Acropolis Pyramid, which features intricate carvings and stunning panoramic views of the surrounding jungle. This off-the-beaten-path site is perfect for those seeking a quieter cultural experience. 18. Cenote Iquique, the sacred sinkhole. Located near Chichen Itza, Cenote Iquique is one of the most famous cenotes in Mexico. Its open-top design and hanging vines create a magical ambience. Visitors can swim in its crystal-clear waters, which are believed to have been sacred to the ancient Maya. Xochimilco Cancun, a floating fiesta. Experience a traditional Mexican fiesta aboard colorful trajineras, gondolas, at Xochimilco Cancun. This cultural theme park combines music, food, and fun as visitors cruise through canals while enjoying live mariachi bands, tequila, and authentic cuisine. It's a unique way to celebrate Mexican heritage. Holbox Island, a Caribbean escape. Holbox Island, located north of the Yucatan Peninsula, is a tranquil paradise free from cars and bustling tourists. Known for its bioluminescent waters, charming sandy streets, and laid-back vibe, it's the perfect getaway for relaxation. Be sure to try the island's famous lobster pizza. Thanks for joining us on this Cancun adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Have you been to Cancun? What's your favorite spot? Let us know. We'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to DSV Travel Trip for more travel inspiration, and be sure to check out our other videos featuring amazing destinations around the world. Until next time, happy travels!